So now I am in what they call new Google Sites. You can see up here the name of the site, a lot of doodads and gadgets and gears and all that kind of stuff. Keep in mind, if you change this stuff and hit publish, it is out on the World Wide Web. So anytime that you're doing updates or editing anything, it is live. So as I'm hovering and moving my mouse, you can see that it'll allow me to do different things with that. And we'll explore each of those as we go along through each aspect. You can preview it by clicking there, and there's a new aspect of that because you can look at it. How does it look on a mobile device? How does it look on iPad's side device, computer, and so on. And this is the link. You don't need to know the link because it's live. It's already out there. This is how you can share it with others. I'd be wise as to whom you share it with, but that is how you can alter the share settings. And then of course you have more. We had discussed at one point site analytics. This is where you can go and see how many people are clicking on your page and messing, clicking where they're clicking, how often they're clicking, sites that or pages that they're going to the most. They edit the Favicon. That's the little doggy paw that's up on your tab. So for instance, like this Google one, when you go to your guys' website, it is the little dog paw, I believe. Let me see. So when you go to, yes, so that's a Favicon. The side here, and I'm going to go through, like I said, each of these. You have insert, which is going to have all of the things that you can do to update the website. Pages, which list all of the pages that are there. And themes, don't touch, because if you change that, then it'll change the theme for the color, the font. It'll mess things up. I do believe it's on Vision, and then there's a specific code to a color that I've added to it, and let's just click on that. So that is the official code that is for that theme. But for the most part, you never should have to touch the themes. Okay, so that's the interface, and we're going to go through each aspect of that interface throughout the rest of these tutorials.